What's happening, guys? In today's video I'll be doing an unboxing and test out this scaffolding, 6-foot scaffolding from MetalTech. Check it out. So here we go, got the package, came with Amazon. It shows that it's heavy, 2 people, and I carried it over here. They're not joking, it is quite heavy. You can see here it weighs 118 pounds or 53 kilos. So we'll cut this. Shows here that you can stack 1, 2, 3 with a 4th one on top here, up to 18 foot tall. Made by MetalTech, job site series 6 Baker. Let's give it a pull. There we go. All right, cut the sides. It's sitting out in the rain, so that came apart quite easily. Okay. So I'm going to set this up for installing some windows here in a little bit. So I'm going to carry them one at a time up. Let's see how that goes. But let's look at what it comes with. So obviously we got the scaffolding. I'll put them down to the side here. Got one. Got 2 boxes. We'll check out the mystery boxes later. We also got the operational safety and assembly instructions. Some advertising for other products that they have. More advertising. Looks like you can motorize it and control it from above. That's pretty cool. And I can enter to win. Alright, next. This will be 2 side rails that are connected together. We'll cut those. 1 and 2. We got 2 side rails, 2 verticals or uprights, and then the board that you stand on looks like it's the last one. Another upright. There you go. New packaging material. Leave the plastic here. And yeah, the board. It's nice. It has carrying holes in the middle. They haven't rounded off the carrying holes or anything, but I can handle that. And that is it. Now let's do a quick assembly. I'll set up a time lapse and we'll see how fast it goes. We also have these boxes. Let's see what's in that. Probably the wheels. Yeah, it looks like we got 2 wheels in each one. I also bought a box of stationery, so just these pads, just in case I want to have 2 wheels and then maybe put it on stairs so that I can screw them down. I've never done it before and realized a couple of things. It's definitely best to assemble it low and then bring it up higher afterwards if you're going to do it by yourself. If you got more than one person, then I'm sure you can stabilize it and everything will be fine. But by myself and being distracted by UPS, I definitely had a real hard time keeping it stable when it was just me and I had it up high. So anyway, I'm going to take it apart now. Take it up into the woods, assemble it up there. Alright guys, that's it. Second time went much easier. Probably had the platform up and running in about a minute or so, fully adjusted and locked. Next is going to be installing these windows. I'll be doing it in 5 different ways. I'll be using 2 different products from Huber Zip Systems. I'll do the Presico's R-Guard as well as some different Sega products. So please like and subscribe, follow along, and let me know if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.